Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make medium D Dakki. Start by gathering your materials. You will need 2 square sheets of paper, ideally 6 inches by 6 inches. The paper's sturdiness is key, as it will endure many folds and impacts during play. A clear, flat surface is essential for accurate folding, ensuring your D Dakki turns out perfectly. Let's begin by preparing our first sheet. Now take your first sheet of paper, fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold to establish a clear center crease. Next, bring both long edges inward, aligning them precisely with that center crease, creating a narrow rectangle. Finally, fold this rectangle into 3 equal sections, forming a compact, 3-layered strip. This piece is now ready for the next step. Let's prepare the second sheet. Repeat the identical folding steps you just completed for the first piece. You should now have 2 perfectly matched, 3-layered paper strips. Carefully lay one strip horizontally on your flat surface. Then, position the second strip vertically over the first, ensuring they form a precise plus sign shape in the center. This forms the base of your D Dakki. Now for the interlocking. Take the top and bottom ends of the vertical strip and fold them over the horizontal strip. Next, fold the left and right ends of the horizontal strip over the previously folded vertical ends. The final step is to carefully tuck the very last flap securely into the pocket formed by the initial folds. This creates a strong, medium-sized D Dakki, ready for play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.